Hello and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So we're in May, the flowers are blooming. We have some ranunculus, we have some peonies, we have our irises, statice, our dusty miller, we have some greenhouse grown celosia crested, we have our bunny tails, snapdragons are stuck in here. So we're going to be creating some arrangements today. I'm breaking each arrangement down into a separate video. This was one that I did earlier. And I will have a link for this one at the end of this video that you can click on to check out for how to make this type of arrangement here. So when you do your arrangements, you always want to start off with a clean vase. That will help prevent bacteria from growing. It will help your flowers to last longer. You want your pruning shears. These here are the ones that I use. I will have a link down in the description for them. Fresh water, your flowers, and you, depending on your container, some masking tape. So we're going to go with this one here. You can put some glass beads in the bottom if you choose to. If you're using dahlias, dahlias do have a tendency to try and float on you, so that's where the masking tape and different things kind of come in. Fill this up with our fresh water here. You can put your plant food for your flower food in your water. We're going to do some peonies. Cut your stems 45-degree angle. That will allow for your flowers to take up the water. You always want to cut your stems on a 45-degree angle so that as they can take the water up. Any foliage that will be underwater, go ahead and take that off to prevent any kind of bacteria from growing in the water. Flags in here. This part here. Oops. Just taking stuff here. So we're grabbing our flags. This is what we're working with here right now. If you have one that's spent, go ahead and just take that right off. This one over here, this one over here. I'm going to be putting in some beautiful ranunculus here. And you can kind of mix some different colors up together. I want this one here a little shorter. Put the other stem of ranunculus in here. These are the V ranunculus that I'm working with right here. I'm going to put some yarrow in here too. Sort of make it a little different. We have some celosia. with that gold color. This is a little bit shorter. Stick this one here, over here. That's a beautiful golden color. I'm going to start putting in some status. The sun's kind of coming in. It was out, or it was in earlier, now it's coming back out again. So we're putting in some status here. Oops, this is going to be underwater. Take this off. So far, I'm going to put in some more flags here. And honestly, your flags could be a standalone where you could just put them in a vase all by themselves if you chose to. You can do that with them, and they're really pretty when you do. My hand's caught on this one here. Hold on here. There we go. I'm going to get some more of our status here. Colors in through. And when I'm designing different things, I like colors and different textures. So that's kind of how I design some of my different stuff that I do. That's not going to fit there. And sometimes you have to kind of work your stems in some. There you go. You just want to make sure that they're all down in the water. I'm going to grab some nigella pods. These are the seed pods from your nigella plants. They have beautiful flowers on them, but I like them for the seed pods. It's something that's different. It's unique. It's unusual. It's something that you don't always see. It's a different texture. So we're going to kind of move some of this different stuff around here, get this put back where I wanted it, which I wanted it right in the center, the ranunculus. Go. We're going to put another nigella pod in. This in right over here. Go. Grab This is one of my crested celotias here. Stick this right in here. And we're going to grab another one of those. Put it over here. I'm going to put our blue salvia in. And there we go. Our arrangement is done. I'm going to turn this here. So this one here has in the flags, the ranunculus, yarrow, nigella, status, blue salvia, and crested celotia, and our peonies. And we also have our plume celotia in there. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and you can check out my video for how to get free bouquets and arrangements from flowers that you're growing in your own yard. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That'll tell you when I put a new video on. Also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a nice day. Bye!